I talk about misunderstanding things. I thought this was like a park. Take pictures of birds, go watch them. They're just caged in. It's what it is. It might have turned out differently anyway. Because they are in a cage. And we are in a cage. That's the caiman that we hope to see in Pantanal. Banana, orange, let's try.
Uau, eu não vou ver aquele ali. Onde o sol não tá pegando, tá uns 25 graus. Né? O sol tá pegando
Vai tirar uma fotinha dela ali com esse.
Nossa, daqui que pega melhor.
It's hot. I'm looking forward to see the hummingbirds and butterflies here. Let's go. By the way, the mechanic who fixed the gear in the car. Blanca Beast is fixed. Wow. Muito. Nome?
Melão de São Caetano. Remédio para diabetes.
Very good. Muito bom. This is how they look. Very beautiful yellow and green color. He just picked it off this bush he has. Oh. Hello, Mr. Pigs.
Cana, cortando uma caninha pros porcos.
Let's go check out the chickens. There's chickens over here. That's frango asado. Yum yum yum. Oh, now they heard it. They are moving.
Det værste vel, skal.
Yeah, come up. Yeah, what? There's this little hammock, and of course the smoke oven here. Large table. Take a look at this churrasco grill here. That's a big tractor. I'm 1.82 centimeters high. This wheel is this high as well. Never seen a tractor like this. They're adding fertilizers to spray the field with. So now they can spray the field. They just added the fertilizers. They're adding water from this into the tractor, and they're mixing it with the fertilizer. See? Oh, see? What's a bomb? Oh no! Ah. Oh, desculpa.
Não.
Ok.
Tranquilo.
He simply controls everything from these small handles here, and he can look at the fields and how they are spraying out. This is more advanced than a Tesla. Look, it doesn't even touch the wheel. It just drives by itself here. This one is navigation. It's more so it doesn't spray too much of the fertilizers and water all over. Puts it evenly all over and don't miss spots.